Sa episode na ito, sagot ko ang good vibes. Let me take you to Japan.
So, early morning flight tayo papuntang Nagoya, Japan via Cebu Pacific. Sa totoo lang, wala pa akong tulog. Pero kapag ganitong biyahe, nakakawala ng antok at stress.
Thank you. Pagkalapag, sinalubong na kami ng malamig na klima. Pero patikim pa lang ito dahil wala pa kami sa aming main destination. So nandito na tayo sa Nagoya at mula dito meron pa tayong 4-hour land trip papuntang Hakuba. Sa wakas, matapos ang mahabang paglalakbay, narating na namin ang Hakuba Village, isang bayan na matatagpuan sa Nagano Prefecture. Manggaling man ng Tokyo o Nagoya, mapupuntahan din ito sa pamamagitan ng tren. Sa dalisdis ng matatayog na bundok na natatakluban ng niebe, maaaninag na ang pinakasikat na sport dito sa Hakuba, ang skiing.
Ohayo, Yoshi-san!
Morning.
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 Beautiful day for
Beautiful day
skiing.
today. Yeah.
Oh, I'm so excited.
Ngayong araw, kakasa ako sa hamong matutuhan ito sa tulong ng expert ski racer na si Yoshizawa Hirokazu.
Let's go!
Si Yoshizawa-san din ang kasalukuyang Chief Marketing Manager ng Hakuba Tourism Commission. Kaya may pa-sightseeing na rin habang nasa sasakyan.
Yeah, that's Mount Hakuba. That's the highest mountains around this area, around 3,000 meters.
Dinala ako ni Yoshizawa-san sa isa sa maraming ski resort dito. Pero bago ako sumabak sa snow, kailangan munang juba forms.
Kapag nagsiskiing, kailangan ng very specialized equipment. Bukod dun sa boots, sa skis, and poles, yung jacket, yung pantalon. And then, so it's a pair, right? Pants also?
Yes.
Okay.
Fit check. Ayos ba? At ang pinakamahalaga sa lahat, ang boots at skis. Nice click.
Yes, nice sound.
Ngayong kumpleto na ako sa gamit, oras na para sa aking one-on-one lesson with the expert. Nalilito ako, ang dami ka na suotin.
Downhole first. Okay.
Ang mga ski na ito ang magpapadaos do sa akin sa niebe.
Easy to hold it yourself.
Kaya tinuruan muna ako ni Yoshi-san kung paano ikinakabit ang mga ito.
Toes.
Flesh. That's it. And hold it.
Yeah.
Basic,
Step 1. Check.
Yeah, you just walk around. That's fine. Just
Oh no.
quite slippy already.
I don't want to sleep yet.
Okay.
ang una at pinaka-importanting lesson daw sa skiing, ang paghinto.
We go like snowplow. We do edges. Yeah. The shape, make shape of triangle.
Okay.
Try not to cross.
To
at the
cross?
top. Yes, yes.
That's hard.
Yeah, that's quite hard. It's if you could do it, it's easy, but it's quite difficult already. Yes. So if you go like this, it won't stop.
Okay.
Okay.
Kapag hindi mo matutuhan ang skill na ito, ganito ang pwedeng mangyari.
Oh no.
Buti na lang nakaiwas si Coach.
大丈夫
Preview of things to come.
で
Yoshi! Why? Why, Arilia? It's gonna be a day of pain. Para mag-practice, kailangan naming umakyat sa mas mataas na bahagi ng slope. Up
Okay.
a little bit?
Yeah.
Ow,
Side
okay,
step.
just walk.
You do.
Isang bagay na hindi madaling gawin kapag nakasuot ka ng skis.
And use your edges like this, like
Oh,
this.
this way.
Yeah, and up. Yes, yes, that's it. If you don't use edge, you like doing it.
Oh no!
Nice, okay. Good.
I'm tired. The snow is really... It hurts my eyes. Should I wear my goggles?
Or the
shades.
glasses.
Skill enhancement times 10. Ito yung isa sa mga biggest fears ko eh. Ikaw yung pinakamukhang tanga sa isang lugar. Mukhang mangyayari siya ngayong araw. Game. Subukan na natin.
Keep your position like this, okay? To keep your position and stop and start sliding. And stop. Make it wider. Okay?
But I'm not flexible.
Okay. So, yes. Yes. That's it. And wider. Maybe wider. More.
Wider.
Yeah. And you have to close this one. Okay, that's the good. So, like, yeah. Go this. And only like start and stop. Yeah.
Come on, baby.
Yeah, you can put yourself. That's it. Ah, good.
Subukan natin ulit. Part 2.
It looks easy, but trust me, it's quite difficult. Yeah, that's it. Woo!
Hey. Okay.
It's not the front side, here side. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. Oh.
And then back up again. Paulit-ulit lang hanggang matuto.
Ah.
Kala nyo glamorous ang skiing ah. Itong kailangan mong matutunan pagbaguhan ka. Yun na. Okay, let's go. Let's try again. Baka tamaan ko kayo dyan.
Bali sir, pogi pa rin naman kahit mahirap oh. Ganito pala feeling ni Elsa.
Yep. This is the life.
Para maganda.
Talaga? O sige, punta kayo dun.
Para maganda doon, tingnan nyo.
Mahirap eh. Unti-untiin ko to.
Sir, double time sir!
Lord,
Kamusta sir?
why? Why do we do this? Ah!
Faster! Oh, nice!
Ano?
Pang Olympics.
Ang supportive ng team ko, no? Teka nga, para ma-inspire ng konti,
That's it.
kailangan ko yatang makita ang master in action. Can you show me how it's done?
Which one?
Skiing.
Yeah, okay.
2 taong gulang pa lang, natuto na si Yoshizawa mag-ski. Pangkaraniwan na raw ito sa mga taga rito. Dahil ang skiing, itinuturo sa mga school. Si Yoshizawa-san, naging professional ski racer pa, hanggang makagraduate ng high school. Kitang-kita naman ang husay ng aking sensei o teacher pagdating sa skiing. so elegant. My goodness. And without poles.
Yeah. 2 more days, you can be like this.
I don't believe you. Grabe, no? Akala mo madali lang tignan eh. Parang nabuhayan ako nang mapanood ang galing sa pagski ni Yoshi-san. Hindi tayo susuko. The Matrix. Tinasan ko pa ng konti ang buwelo ko para sa susunod kong subok.
Yeah, that's it. So that's the steepest part right now. Keep it wider. Yeah.
Easy!
Ganda!
Easy!
Okay,
Tingnan mo, bulog. Yeah!
Good job.
Thank you. It's just, you have to get over the fear of going really fast.
Yes.
And not being able to stop. Unti-unti na akong nagkakaroon ng kumpiyansa. Kayanin ko na kaya ang ultimate test sa mataas na bahagi ng bundok?